The biggest hack in human history just happened it. $1.5 million gone in a matter of minutes. This isn't a movie plot or some cyberpunk fantasy. This is real, and it just shook the entire crypto industry to its core. Welcome back to WildPod X, Tony here. Today's 24th of February 2025. We're diving deep into the Bybit hack, the largest crypto theft ever recorded. Actually, the biggest theft ever happened in human history. It is bigger than the 2003 robbery of the Central Bank of Iraq. Back then, 1 billion was stolen. How did it happen? Who's behind it? And what does it mean for the future of crypto security? Before we get into it, let's take a quick look at today's market update. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at $95,000, Ethereum is at around $2,700, and in the stock market, Tesla share is priced at $337, Block is at 68, with market showing a general downward trend. With that out the way, let's get into today's morning deep dive. On 22nd of February 2025, Bybit, one of the top cryptocurrency exchange, suffered a monumental security breach, resulting in the theft of approximately $1.5 billion worth of Ethereum. This incident is now recorded as one of the largest cryptocurrency heists in history. Here's a clip of Ben Chao, CEO of Bybit, responding hours after the incident.
As all of you are aware, that currently, about 2 hours ago, Bybit experienced a hack on our Ethereum cold wallet. So, first of all, I want to give everyone the overall what happened. It was about 2 hours ago, UTC plus 8 time, 9:30, around 10 o'clock, which I'm actually in Singapore right now, Singapore time, that we were doing a regular cold wallet transfer to our warm wallet. So we typically do this type of transfer every 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, depends on what is the balance that we have in our hot wallet. Whenever the hot wallet is reaching a benchmark that we believe needs to be topped up, we will deploy the cold wallet. Bybit uses Safe for our Ethereum related cold wallet as multisig, which means we use the Safe product. I'm not sure if you are aware, it's the safe.global. For most of us, we all know that this app it's a smart contract level cold wallet multisig. So we have multiple signers that signing this transaction, targeting a regular transfer from our cold wallet to the warm wallet. When we saw the transaction, it was business as usual. I can, at least speaking for my part, I was the last signer of this transaction. When this transaction came, it was a normal URL. I double checked. It was the Safe URL from the official Safe website. We always use the official website. So that was one of the safety protocols we deployed, is to check. So I checked on that. I clicked on the link and checked. And then I checked on the UI the destination address to make sure that it is our warm wallet. And we have a procedure to make sure that it is what we saw. So all of that checked out. And the initial transfer that we made was around, I believe, 30,000 ETH. It was not a full amount. So I saw the transaction. I'm the last signer, so I clicked on sign. And I use a ledger as a hardware device for the last signing part. Okay. So after I sign, and I also check the ledger screen, one of the issues with, at least from my experience with the Ethereum related cold wallet transfer, is that it doesn't exactly shows the destination. It shows a lot of code. So it's not, so I checked the code, but I didn't check fully. If normally also the destination address is not inside of that multi-sig signing. So I signed. After signing 30 minutes later, then we got the emergency call that our cold Ethereum wallet is drained.
The breach occurred during a routine transfer from Bybit's cold wallet, an offline storage solution designed to protect asset, to a warm wallet used for daily trading activities. Attacker exploited this process by manipulating the transaction through a sophisticated attack that deceived the signing interface. This made the transaction appear legitimate, while altering the underlying smart contract logic, allowing them to gain control of the cold wallet and transfer approximately 401,000 Ethereum to an unknown address. Blockchain forensic team have traced stolen funds through multiple transactions, leading to strong indication that the attack was carried out by the infamous South Korean Lazarus Group, a cybercriminal syndicate known for targeting financial institutions and crypto exchanges. Lazarus has been linked to some of the biggest hacks in the history, and their signature laundering methods, including chain hopping and mixed services, suggest they may be behind this one as well. Bybit's CEO, Ben Chow, responded within hours of the attack, providing immediate transparency on the situation. A textbook example of PR crisis management, really. He reassured the customer that the company remains solvent, all the client's asset is fully backed on a one-to-one basis. Ben's swift communication and clear messaging prevented mass panic. He also confirmed that unaffected wallet and withdrawal will continue to operate normally. And the company has launched a recovery bounty program, offering up to 10% of the stolen fund to ethical hackers who can assist in retrieving them. This theft has reignited concerns about the security of centralized cryptocurrency exchange and the vulnerability of cold wallet storage solutions. It also raises broader questions. If the top-tier exchange like Bybit can be breached, how secure is the rest of the industry? And what more can be done to prevent such a large-scale attack? Interestingly, despite the sheer scale of this hack, Bitcoin and Ethereum's price experienced only a slight pullback, with the market absorbing the shock surprisingly well. Does this signal a new level of resilience in crypto? And could this be a sign that a major bull run in 2025 is going to take off? Now let's take a look at today's top news. The first news, following the $1.5 billion hack, Bybit processed over 350,000 withdrawal requests within 10 hours, completing 99.9% of them promptly. Despite the significant outflow, independent audits confirmed that the Bybit reserve still exceeded its liability, ensuring full backing for user funds. And Bybit is actively working with cybersecurity experts to enhance its security infrastructure and prevent future incidents. The second news, in legislative news, Montana's House of Representatives voted 41-59 against the bill that would have established Bitcoin as a state reserve asset. The House expressed concerns over the potential risk associated with investing taxpayers' money in volatile digital assets. This decision highlights the ongoing debate over the adoption of cryptocurrencies within governmental financial strategies. The third news, Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, announced that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has agreed to drop the case against the company without imposing fine or requires changes to its business operation. This development follows previous charges against Coinbase for operating as unregulated security exchanges. This resolution is seen as a significant win for crypto industry, potentially setting a precedent for future regulatory interactions. That's a wrap for today's video. Please subscribe for daily updates in weekdays. Stay invested, and I'll see you tomorrow.